Thinking of you, thinking of you. Thinking of you, thinking of you.
Start of withdrawing a rough face shape. Draw lines as shown to draw eyebrow, eyes, nose and lips. Start drawing the eyebrows on the first line. Draw the eyes, nose and lips as shown. Erase the outline of you have drawn earlier and draw the face shape properly. Erase the outline of you have drawn earlier and draw the face shape properly. Do shading to draw beard if your character have one. To show the shadow effect on the face, do light shading over the dark areas. Draw the outline for hair, followed by shading. You can use either a cotton swab or paper stump to enhance shading effect.